everyone! Today is another day. Today guys, punta tayo sa ating Halong Bay cruise. Ipipick up tayo in I think 5 minutes na lang guys. So we have to go downstairs na. Hopefully, okay lang yung weather kasi parang malamig.
This is a good a day as any.
And we have two steps. And the first step and the last step. The first step we choose chocolate like this. Cut the main base around the body to the oyster. Yeah. Yeah.
Not lucky, yeah?
Yeah.
Kape muna tayo dito. Napaka-konting kape. Parang espresso lang. Tapos may condense. Patay. That looks yum. So strong.
Next week, 2 or 3 minutes awesome. So, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mr. Strong.
Daming tao. So, mayroong 2 options, guys. It's either mag-trek ka, 400 steps uphill, or mag-swimming. Ay, ang lamig-lamig. So, andito tayo. Andito lahat. Nag-trek tuloy lahat kasi ang lamig-lamig. Here's the beach.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin. Beginning to fall from within. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today, it's a good day. Not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, something's gotta give. Today, it's a good day to
Nakabalik na kami sa hotel. Tapos, andito na kami sa labas. Kumakain, guys. It was a long day, pero ang ganda. Ang ganda ng, Halong Bay cruise. Ganda na. Look at our view. Finally, nakapag-fauna din tayo, guys. Hi! Mine is chicken. Kay Michelle naman is beef. Tapos meron tayong crab meat. And then, may isa pa no. Yung order ko. Yeah. Wala siya tingog ng karne. Hindi. Sarap naman ng water spinach.
Kangkong, right?
Yeah, it is. Ang sarap.
Package okay.
Chồng là chưa ăn xong rồi cất rồi. Bác không hoang mang đấy, bởi vì bác thấy ăn quần quý và con nước trà chưa uống. Lại cầm đến chưa.
Ang sarap ko naman.
Mura magtinola ni Miguel. Magtinola ni. Diba? Good morning everyone! Another day. As you can see, sa likod natin, ang daming notes guys. Andito pala tayo dito sa The Note Coffee. Nakita ko sa inyo, napaka-cool. Pero maghangak sa lagay ka pasaka. There you go. Ang daming notes. Kahit sa mga upuan. Amazing. So, check out pala natin today because we are gonna go to Danang. May flight tayo sa Danang guys, mga 1 o'clock. So, check out tayo ng mga 10. Time check, 9:30 na. Kape muna tayo. Ang cute dito. See, yan yung view natin. We have the egg coffee, tapos pan-au chocolate. Hanapin niyo tong note ko, guys. That's for me. 10th of December 2024. This is our view. So flaky. Huh? Yeah, traffic.
All houses in Hanoi is always like this.
Guys, trying to cross the road is a nightmare here in Hanoi. Kasi hindi talaga. No one will stop for you. Sama lang tayo kay Bijal. Ah! Bijal! Oh my God. Hindi pa yun malala. Hindi pa yun masyado malala, ha? Kahapon, sobrang lala. Peak hours. Grabe. Napatay.
Oo
What do you call it? Dito kami nag-cross kahapon na sobrang challenging. Ay, sige na. Magsama tayo kay Kuya. No one would stop. What are you eating, girl?
A bit of everything.
Guys, chika ko pala sa inyo dun sa The Note Coffee. Yung egg coffee nila, which is pinakasikat dito, hindi masyadong strong. Hindi talaga. Like sabi namin ni Michelle na, ay, bakit hindi? Kasi sobrang strong talaga yung na-taste namin dun sa Sapa. Yung mga lahat ng kape na na-taste namin dun sa Sapa. Napaka-strong talaga ng coffee nila. Doon, parang talagang wala. Parang sabi nga ni Michelle, para lang kaming umiinom ng milk na may konting kape. Pero the vibe is really good. So I feel like if pupunta kayo doon, maybe just order something else. Like, especially if yung intention nyo is to get coffee to start your day, I don't think it's the right place. Kung gusto nyo lang char-char lang, yeah, the Note Coffee is good. Ganda ng vibe. Pero yun nga, it's very, haladay pasaka. Ang daming floor, so medyo nakakapagod din papunta sa taas. We are back in the hotel. Ready na yung aming mga luggages and magpapapick up na tayo. Mali pala ako, guys. 11:30 pala yung pick up natin, hindi 10. Hello, good morning. Can we ask for a hand for our luggages? Cool. Thank you. Bye-bye. Guys, may nag-aaway na dito at wala pa kaming boarding. Look, at nag-aaway na silang lahat. Galit na si Kuya, galit na din ang mga passengers.
The first, we would like to show you hotel information. Wi-Fi password items number 8.
That's the bed. Michelle is here. Merong kitchenette. Oh, that's the TV. Tapos outside. Ito naman yung ating pa-garden. Pa-garden view. Tapos, that's our neighbor. We have a neighbor girl. Very cute accommodation dito sa Danang. Guys, we are here in Danang downtown. O, diba?
Walang bit-bit na bata. Nandito na naman.
Kami na naman ang magiging bata ngayon. Look! Na haunted house. Vista! Kadlo ko. So, punta tayo sa Ferris wheel. Meron na kaming ticket. So, haunted house. Haunted house. Ferris wheel. Ano ba yung isa? Basta lahat. Pwede naming i-ride. Oh my God, sobrang laki pa dito. May mga rides pala during night time na magko-close. 3 rides yung close. Pero okay lang kasi yung Ferris wheel na gusto kong sakyan is open. Happy Fiesta! May natapos na kami isang ride. Like, wala kami idea kung ano siya. Pumasok lang kami. Tapos pinasakay naman kami ni ate. Tapos sinabihan kami i-remove daw yung glasses at saka yung bag. Tapos sabi namin, bakit i-remove? Ano ba to? Ano ba sinasakyan namin? Roller coaster pala siya. Wisit! Yung mga pinakamatanda, yung pinakamaingay. Ay, nako.
Naglingkod mo.
Nilingkod rabaw sa kanino.
Kaya may patanggal ang glasses.
Kusog siguro ni. Yan pala yung sinakyan namin. Na hindi namin alam na roller coaster pala siya. Okay, meron siyang map na pinakita sa amin. But of course, wala kaming map na hawak-hawak. Hindi kami binigyan ng map na hawak-hawak. So, naglalakad-lakad lang kami. Kaya we have no idea kung ano yung ride na yun. At diretso lang kami sumakay. Nagba-barbecue si kuya dito. Pero dito kami umupo. What's the meaning of this?
Nakilingkod.
Nakiupo lang kami dito. Bakit kayo dyan nag-chichika-chika? Nag-chinichika nyo dyan? Nakikiupo lang kami dito. Hindi ba pwede? Kamusta na na itong kaning atong ride?
And?
Tarong nga na, girl.
May 500.
Tarong nga na, girl.
Okay.
Naksa atin na nito.
20, 40. Oh yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Ano tayo?
Galingkod-lingkod ta dito. Naglibak na sila. Huwag itan lagi papawa. Pwede.
Mga bata mag-surf pa.
Another ride tayo. Roller coaster na naman. At least ito, alam natin kung ano. Kasi dinadaanan natin yung tracks. Kahit, kumusta ang buhok? Guys, ano lang yun? Parang 1 minute lang.
Very less than 1 minute.
Oh, less than 1 minute siguro, no?
Of course. Pila ka
Ay,
mga to.
kung kitara, mura taghaler. Anyway, okay lang siya. If kabuhion kayo. That was the best one. Guys, it was like Filipino versus Vietnamese. Charet.
Abang ka ba? Drive pa, mag-bulog.
Hoy, kabaw, baka dugay na kayo nakain ato. Bata pa ko, but it's very easy to.
No, but they were kids.
They were kids, and the titas won. Yeah. As in,
They surely drive here.
as in, yung mga katawan talaga nila, boom!
Right?
What's that? Dito pwede ko ano tayo, mga gala. Look. Maybe it's time for us to go to that, Ferris wheel? Ah, nice. It's time for us to ride the Ferris wheel. Let's go! Let's go! This is gonna be 20 minutes, guys, kasi sobrang laki nito. Pero makikita natin ang whole Danang. Wow, whole Danang talaga to. Charet! It's open up until 9:30. Yes. We're here on top. Oh my god.
Turtleneck mo. Ipila yung turtleneck siya.
Kayo lang dalawa, Michelle. Kami lang dalawa ni Michelle naka-line. Hala. Ayoko. Na! Guys, nakakaloka naman ito. Si Michelle enjoy na enjoy. Ako naman is parang nasusuka. Pero ang saya. First time ko kasi ng ganun. First time ko ng ganun.
Anchors away.
Yeah. Oh my God. That was fun, girl. Asa? Di ko ano, uy. Kanang mag-kuan. Nagput-lagput. Kami lang talaga dalawa. So, yan yung advantage pala pag pumunta ka dito ng night time. Kasi, konti lang yung tao.
Monday siguro rin.
And today is Monday, guys. Pero at least, diretso talaga tayo sa pila. Walang pila man.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Oh my God, very confusing naman ito.
Ano? Yeah, but look around first. Ano siya lang?
안녕하세요. 망고 스무디요.
Ano kasi yung kadihala.
Meron tayong pork, a grilled na ano, grilled tong dalawa. Grilled chicken.
Garlic
grilled
butter
pork.
na lobster ang pipili.
Tapos, ano?
Garlic butter.
Na lobster. May lobster pa kami.
May toothpick.
That's our dinner. Tapos, guyabano na drink. And calamansi drink for Michelle. Let's eat. Lobster. Trời đó 50. Anong flavor nito?
Garlic butter.
Thêm 180 180 200 right cơ anh ơi 35.000.
So fresh. Paningot naman ka, girl. Init sad, girl. Oh, coffee. Kana lagi din nga coffee. Murag C7 or something.
I said blueberry.
What's yours? Pandan. Ganito pala itsura ng ating hotel. See? Ganda.
Bang tagak.
Very cute. Ay, tagak. Let's go.